Hi guys, this is Anne. I'm going to be making a soup, and in here, as you can see, is a whole cucumber and then a knob of ginger. That side, so you can put less. Then I'm going to put a whole lime. I'm going to put one onion. You can add that if you want. Then I like a lot of garlic. So I'm going to put all that garlic. I'll just chop it a little bit and then I put it in there. Then I'm going to put a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Then sauerkraut. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of sauerkraut. Some water. I'm going to put a nice ripe avocado for creaminess. Yeah, it's on its way out, but yeah, we're going to put it. Yes, and that is it. I'll just chop everything together and put it in the blender and show you when it's all in the blender. And I'll put some water. Oh, sorry, I'll put turmeric powder. A teaspoon of turmeric. I have a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Yes, this smoothie is very good when you have parasites. If you're looking for something to eat when you have parasites, all these are good for parasites. The cucumber, the ginger, the garlic, the turmeric, the fennel seeds, very good for that. Lime is very good for detoxifying. Onions are very good. Garlic, of course. Sauerkraut gives you good gut bacteria, so you don't have to have them so many reoccurring back into your system, because your body is protected from creepy crawlies that are not good for you, that make you sick from entering into your body. So, oh yes, and I'll put a little sweet, so I'll put some dates. Yes, that is it. I'll put the recipe down below if you're interested, and that's it. Let me just put everything all together and show you. Okay, just remembered I've put salt, you can see, and then nutritional yeast. I don't have measurements, so haha, yeah, just that. Then I put 4 dates. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dates, and then I'll first blend with the avocados. Then I'll put the avocados later, and I'll just add a little water and blitz it away. Just remember, I like putting greens, so I put, these are dried greens. They are local greens, and I don't know what they are called in English, and in Kiswahili. So you can put things like amaranth leaves or stinging nettle or moringa or whatever greens you have. So since I don't know what these ones are called, so yeah, they had dried some. I bought and dried. So yes, yes, I know I'm doing a horrible job, but I have no space to put the camera. Sorry, the phone. So I'll put some water, and that's it. Water doesn't matter, just it all depends on the consistency you want of the soup. It can be watery, it can be thick. It has turned out. I'm sorry for the bad camera copy. So I'll just pour it. And it's supposed to fill the whole bowl. I'm just going to cut up some tomatoes, put on top. Okay, there is the soup. I already tasted it. It's, if you like very sweet things, this you might not like it, but I think it's because my greens are the very bitter type of greens. But if you put spinach, it will be mild, and then you can add a little bit more dates if you like. If you want a little bit of citrus, you can be able to take it. But to me, this is good. So if you're thinking of something to take and to fill you up when you have parasites and you need something to eat, and you want something that is quick, just swoosh it along. Just put it in your mouth, and that's it. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Bye.